This is how you can create an UGC ad for $1 in just 1 minute. First, go to NovoAds AI. Here you have to create an account and pay just $1. Here you have to go here where it says image. Now paste a prompt like this one. In settings, change the model to GPT Image 2. The quality in medium is really good, so change it to medium because it's cheaper. In images, change this to the number of images you want, in my case 1. Then click here. Now that we have the image of the girl, we have to download. Click here in reference, select the image and select the image of the product. Now paste this new prompt, click here. Now click here, paste this prompt, click in settings, change the model to Kling 3. In my case, the duration is going to be 15 seconds. And now click here. Now click in generate. And this is the final result.
I grabbed this Pantene Restauration thinking it'd be like any other shampoo. 3 washes in and it actually feels like hair again. Not even joking, I'm obsessed.